Hello, learners. Welcome to our channel where English becomes simple, fun, and exciting. If you are a complete beginner and sometimes feel nervous about learning English, don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the most effective and practical steps to improve your English. Step by step, with real-life examples, you will discover that English is not difficult at all. It's actually very enjoyable. So stay with me until the end, and let's start this amazing journey together. Effective steps to learn English. Dream big and start small. Before starting your journey of learning English, always remember one thing. You can do it. At the beginning, English may feel like a very hard subject, but in reality, if you give small efforts every single day, the difficulty will slowly disappear. For example, my friend Ramzan once thought, I cannot even write Bangla properly. How will I ever learn English? But still, he took a brave step and promised himself to practice English for just 10 minutes a day. On the first day, he memorized only 5 words and made one short sentence with them. To his surprise, the words started to come out naturally. After a few weeks, he noticed real improvement in his English fluency. You can also start just like Ramzan, with very small and clear goals. For example, you can aim to learn 10 new words in your first week, or simply try writing your own name in English today. Remember, success comes from regular practice. You will not transform in one day or even in one month, but little by little, you will reach your goal. Here are some easy tips to begin. Spend only 5 to 10 minutes daily for English practice. Copy simple sentences from YouTube English lessons. Make sentences with new words. Label items in your home with English names. And reward yourself every time you achieve a small goal. These tiny steps may look small, but over time, they will make you realize something amazing. What once felt impossible is now possible for you. English learning is like reading a book. First, you must open the first page. So open the first page today with courage. Practice listening and speaking. Listening and speaking are two of the most important skills for English learners. At the start, many people feel shy or afraid, but the truth is, the more you practice, the better you get. Take the example of Charmine. In the beginning, she was too nervous to speak in English. She started with one simple habit: listening to English songs every day and repeating small sentences from the lyrics. After some weeks, she noticed she could pronounce those sentences clearly. The fear slowly disappeared and she gained confidence. You should also train your ears and mouth together. Listen to easy English content like children's cartoons or simple conversation videos. Pause and repeat what you hear. Say sentences like, "Hello, how are you?" or "I am fine, thank you." Use your phone to record your own voice, listen to it, and correct mistakes. Try to talk with a friend or family member in English for even 5 minutes daily. Greet them with "Good morning" or share a small story. Here are practical methods. Listen to English songs and hum along. Watch cartoons with subtitles. Record yourself speaking and create small sentences about your daily life. For example, say, "I am awake in the morning. This tea is good while drinking tea." And "Thank you for the meal after lunch." Every small practice builds confidence. Remember, mistakes are not failures. They are lessons. Every time you make a mistake, you are one
Build
step
reading
closer to
and writing
success.
habits. The next powerful step in English learning is reading and writing. Reading will naturally improve your vocabulary and grammar, while writing will strengthen your ability to make sentences. For example, Ravi could not even recognize English letters at first, but he began reading one short children's story every day. After some weeks, he was able to understand small sentences and also write them on paper. You can do the same, slowly and steadily. Start by reading simple stories or short books like The Lion and the Mouse. Write down the meaning of new words in a notebook and use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word delicious, write, "This cake is delicious." Keep a small diary where you write about your day in English. For example, "I went to school today and learned something new." Check your writing by reading it aloud, correcting spelling and grammar. To make reading fun, choose topics you love. If you like sports, read short articles about football. After reading, write a short summary like, "I liked this story because it was simple." Even if you write just 5 sentences daily, after a few months, you will see big improvement. Reading headlines, stories, and comics will also help you think in English. The key is not perfection, but daily effort. Confidence and consistency. The most important secret of learning English is confidence and consistency. In the beginning, you may feel like saying, "I cannot do this." But the truth is, the more you try, the stronger you become. My friend Rajib once feared speaking English in public, but he developed a simple habit. Every morning, he looked at the red sunrise and said one English sentence out loud. Over time, this small habit grew his confidence, and today he can sing English songs and speak freely with his friends. Here are some steps to grow confidence. Fix a time for English practice daily. Learn from mistakes. Practice with a friend or family member. And reward yourself when you achieve small goals. For example, if you learn 3 new sentences in a week, watch your favorite movie as a reward. Also, be creative. Record your diary as audio or make a small story in English. Always remember this line: where there is a will, there is a way. Your progress may feel slow, but every single day you are moving forward. Today you are making short sentences. Tomorrow you will tell full stories. Do not stop. Do not give up. English will soon become easy for you. Consistency is the key. So let's start today. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing and never quit. One day, you will surprise yourself with your own English skills. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Listen and Learn channel. And follow us on TikTok and Facebook for more English learning tips every day.